Looking for reliable lens cleaning towelette suppliers. As a leading B2B importer from China, SeleWipes specializes in providing high-quality lens cleaning towelettes tailored for optical retailers, electronics distributors, and healthcare providers seeking premium cleaning solutions. Our lens cleaning towelettes are crafted with ultra-soft non-woven fabrics that are lint-free and scratch-resistant, ensuring safe cleaning for delicate surfaces like eyeglasses, camera lenses, phone screens, and medical optics. The alcohol-based formula, with alcohol-free options available, effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and dust without leaving residue. Each towelette is individually sealed in durable foil packets to maintain optimal moisture levels during shipping and storage. SeleWipes stands out with these production advantages. Customizable solutions. We offer private label services with your brand name, logo, and preferred packaging. Single packs, bulk dispensers, or travel pouches. Competitive bulk pricing. Our automated production lines enable cost-effective large volume orders without compromising quality and strict quality control. All towelettes are manufactured in ISO-certified facilities meeting international safety standards. These versatile wipes serve multiple industries. Optical shops can repackage them as premium add-ons for eyeglass purchases. Electronics retailers can bundle them with phone camera accessories. Healthcare facilities use them for maintaining examination equipment. For importers seeking a trustworthy China-based supplier, SeleWipes offers flexible marks suitable for startups and established businesses. Compliance documentation including MSDSM product certifications. Ocean air freight coordination with reliable lead times. Contact us today to request samples or discuss your project requirements. Email sales@selewipes.com. WhatsApp8613802854 Website 3w.selewipes.com